Welcome to the world's most evolved robot vacuum. It's not a sweeper like other robots. It's a true vacuum, the most powerful automated vacuum you can buy. The most clever, too. With its advanced laser vision, Neato scans and maps the room and adjusts as it goes. While others just bump around, Neato is off on a mission to clean in a methodical pattern, moving from room to room in a fraction of the time. It systematically goes around things in its path, over multiple surfaces, and away from anywhere you mark as. It detects and avoids stairs. And you dare not. Neato sees in the dark and seeks out unsuspecting dirt. Then, with its extra-large filter, it stealthily sucks up more dirt, dust, debris, and pet hair than any other robot vacuum. Neato's wide brush and side brushes get up close and personal with walls and baseboards. X can't. If it runs out of juice, every day, a quick spot clean, or an instant multi-room cleaning. Then it goes right back to its charge base for next time, leaving no spot unvacuumed, and other robot vacuums in the dust. Neato!